Ciao guys, welcome back to Danang. My name is Alessandro, welcome back to Applivity channel. I'm very sad, disappointed, because I just broken my sunglasses, my precious sunglasses, just 5 minutes ago. While I was on the back on the scooter, the motorbike with my friend, hit my head to his helmet and broke my sunglasses in 2 pieces. Seriously, I don't know what to say. I bought these sunglasses in the Philippines in April in Manila, and they were really important for me. It's a Japanese brand. I don't know if I can repair, and I hope I don't have to go back to Manila to buy these sunglasses, because I really like it. Anyway, to forget about it, I decided to make a video tutorial about the 4 top beers in Vietnam. So I asked the shopper which are the top 4 beers in Vietnam, and here there are. La Roi, which cost me 12,000 dong. Saigon Export, 14,000 dong. 333, which here they say ba ba ba, 14,000 down. And the last one, Chuk Mung, this one, Chuk Mung Nam Moi. Probably is a local beer here in Danang. 14,000 dong. And also I got chips. Overall I paid 109,000 dong, which is not even 10 Australian dollars. Very cheap. Okay, let's try the La Rue beer. This is a video for all the beer lovers out there. Nice. I don't know how to describe a beer, so I just say it's nice or not. This one, Saigon Export. Nice. More bitter than this one, but still nice. Third one, 333, here called Ba Ba Ba. Three yes. People are looking at me. They think I'm an alcoholic. Last one, Chung Mong Nam Moi. Good. Little bit sweeter than the other ones. Okay guys, this video is finished because before I finish all of these 4 beers. It's gonna take maybe 4 hours. That was for you. When you come to Vietnam, you must try these 4 beers, and they're really cheap. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next. Ciao.